A place so remote, so hostile that for centuries it was just a blank space on our maps. A place explorers dreamed of, feared, and sometimes never returned from. This is the story of how humans mapped the last great frontier on Earth. Antarctica. For most of human history, Antarctica wasn't just unexplored, it was unknown. We could only guess what lay at the bottom of the world. Was it a lush land, a massive continent, or just an endless ocean of ice? The reality would turn out to be far more extreme and far more fascinating than anyone imagined. Centuries ago, mapmakers filled the southern part of their charts with pure imagination, vast continents, strange creatures, and mythical kingdoms. But the truth was hidden under thousands of kilometers of ice. In 1772, British explorer Captain James Cook became the first to cross the Antarctic Circle. He didn't see the continent itself, but he sailed through freezing, treacherous waters, proving that if a southern land existed, it was no tropical paradise. It would take another 45 years before humans finally saw Antarctica. The first explorers described towering cliffs of ice, brutal winds, and temperatures so cold they could freeze skin in seconds. This was not a place for the faint-hearted. By the early 20th century, exploration picked up speed. Steamships and fossil fuel-powered equipment allowed explorers to push further into the icy wilderness. In 1928, the first airplane flew over the South Pole, opening a new era of aerial discovery. Within a decade, planes were photographing and mapping huge sections of the continent. During the Cold War, Antarctica became a silent stage for global competition. Nations built research stations and planted flags, each wanting a piece of the frozen pie. But then, something remarkable happened. In 1959, the Antarctic Treaty was signed, turning the continent into a place for science, not war. For the first time in history, a landmass was claimed by everyone and no one at the same time. Then came the satellite era. Orbiting the planet every 100 minutes, satellites mapped every ridge, valley, and shifting ice sheet in stunning detail. Today, Antarctica is, believe it or not, the best mapped continent on Earth. From the icy mountains to the hidden lakes beneath its surface, we know exactly what's there, even if we still can't fully conquer its frozen heart. Antarctica's story isn't just about a place, it's about us. We went there not because we had to, but because we wanted to. It was curiosity, not survival, that drove us to the coldest, most inhospitable place on the planet. And in doing so, we proved something. There's no corner of Earth too far, too cold, or too impossible for human imagination to reach.